Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenDots ONE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV via Bluetooth. This will also work for the Amazon Fire TV sticks too. So the first thing is we should go ahead and put these earbuds into pairing mode. Both the buds are in the case. I'm going to open the lid up. I'll know if these are in pairing mode if it's blinking green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light here and then mine turns off. No problem. For myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode. There's a little round button here on the back of the case. I'm going to press and hold that button and wait until it starts blinking green, orange, green, orange. Okay, so button here, ready, press and hold, keep holding, wait. And, oh, green, orange, green, orange. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to the TV here. And you want to go to the settings. You can click on the home button on the remote, go to the home page, and then navigate to the gear icon. So we're going to go over. And then once you're here, you want to go down. And we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Now here, all the way down to other Bluetooth devices. Select that. And then from here, we're going to move all the way down. You can see the other earbuds and headphones I currently have paired to this TV, but we're going to go all the way down to app Bluetooth devices. Go ahead and select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. These are still in the pairing mode. Green, orange, green, orange. And it did find it right there. Open dots, it's already highlighted. Let's go ahead and select it. It says pairing device. Oh, you can see that it's connected with the solid green light there, and it says connected down there as well. And you can see that we're connected. If you look here as well, open dots. It says press the 3 line, or it says press select to disconnect, so you know we're currently connected. If I go to my AirPods Pro, it says select to connect, okay? So anyway, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.